How to plant bulbs for spring with Greenstreet Gardens. First, we broke up the ground where we previously had annuals planted, clearing away a new space for our spring bulbs. Before we plant the bulbs, get some bone meal or bulb tone and spread it around where you'll be planting. Next, we're going to open up our daffodils and spread them around the area we just put our bulb tone over. If you're planting lots of bulbs, this bulb planter is invaluable to you. You can plant hundreds of bulbs fairly quickly. It attaches to a drill and makes holes 2 3/4 inch in diameter. Once that hole is drilled, drop the bulb in pointy side up. Cover them up and smooth over the surface. If planting tulips, use deer scram and sprinkle it on top of the planted area. Deer, chipmunks, and other furry pests will leave your precious bulbs alone. Now for potted bulbs, we're going to follow a similar method. This pot used to have annuals in it, so we cleaned it out and freshened up the soil. In this pot, we are planting crocus, which are the first to show up in spring and let you know that you made it through winter. Crocus are smaller bulbs, so you will not have to plant them as deep. We're going to sprinkle our bulb tone again right over the top and place our bulbs over the surface, pointy side up. The other side will also show roots, so you know that that'll be the bottom. Go ahead and push them in. And once we're done with that, add deer repellent and voila, you're set. Share this video with a fellow gardener and follow us on YouTube at Greenstreet Gardens. See you next time.